In this world of ours, which is full of noises, saturated with meanings and stories, there's a wonderful impro game who came to me through Mark Phoenix, an impro teacher running a company called Third Person. And it's a very simple game. You don't finish your sentences. You're having a dialogue and you're not finishing your sentences. I discovered through, playing a lot with that game that the best way to play it is really not to try to force, to imply the end of the sentences, but just to leave it open. Even you don't know what the end of the sentence is. You just leave it open. You just let it simmer. You just